Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel and welcome to What's in the Box Wednesday, episode 11. We haven't done one of these for a while and Mr. Thumbs Up Man said, well, we've got a box here, we probably should open it. So this is what we're going to do. Mr. Thumbs Up Man is ready. Are you ready? I am. So let's have a bit of a teaser of the box for a minute. There's a bit of a giveaway on here. It's got a P sticker on it. Sorry, Thumbsy. So this box came from these people. Innerslot. Innerslot.com. Well, actually, I got it off their eBay page, but they have a website as well. They are the pioneer dealer in the UK, and I think they ship internationally. They have lots of things on their website. The cars, all of the parts, and a very interesting section that's called paint defects. And if you get a car that is paint defects, for a start it will be at a discounted price. Secondly, obviously you don't get that big horrible hard plastic jewel case. And then what you get, in this case, is a Hemi Charger. And it's the Joker livery. Now, I'm not that keen on the Joker livery. That doesn't matter. I have other plans for this car. But what you're looking at here is effectively a brand new factory second car. Brand new tyres, brand new braids. This car's never been run. It's never done anything. It's just cheap because it's got a paint defect. And all we have to do now is find the paint defect. Oh, hang on, there it is. I think I found it. Just on the bonnet or hood there. It's just a little bit of a... I don't think it's a fingerprint, but it's a blemish in the paint, that's for sure. But I'm not being funny. I've bought slot cars that aren't factory seconds that have had worse blemishes in the paint than that. So I'm quite happy with that, unless I can see anything else, which I don't think I can. So, in these times of cost of living crisis and expensive stuff, let me just tell you, this complete slot car that works brand new was £35 from Innerslot. If you don't mind too much, because you might crash it anyway, perhaps you should get one. Anyway, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you'll find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it does help, and if you hit the bell you'll get a notification next time I post a video. And of course, check out this slot car channel.